steady. Down slow.
Stop. Hold it right there. Perfect. Hold. Tension. Steady. Steady.
Clear.
Clear. Bring it in. Slow. Watch the clearance. Right. Just a bit right.
The tension is at 100%.
Acknowledge. Locking the anchorage now.
Monitoring the structural deflection. Alignment is good. Proceed with tensioning.
Torquing bolts now.
Monitoring deck elevation. Looks correct.
Hold. Left 3. Down slowly. Confirmed. Slowing. Stop. Aligned. Good. Locked in. Hold it there. Perfect. Engage the jacks. Drop it slowly. Keep the alignment. Pin it. Now. Strike hard.
Torque check on the west plate.
Hold steady. Move to the east connection.
Torque that bolt to specification.
Checking the lateral braces now.
Verified. Move to the next section.
Copy that. Hold it there. Perfect. Chocks in. Connections are secure. Thumbs up for the lift.
The waveform looks stable,
Acceptable.
marking this point.
Cable 1 is aligned. Confirming position. Installing anchor pin. Final torque.
Readings look good. Adjust your target slightly left. Confirmed. Shifting now. Perfect. We have alignment.
Holding position. Signalman check.
Ready to lower a few inches.
Main winch. Slow speed. Gap looks good. Stand by.
Hold tension. Check alignment. Surveyors. Millimeters off on the north side. Engage hydraulic jacks. Slow increment.
Verified.
Watch the pins. Almost there.
Line it up. Right there. A little bit more. Stop. Easy. Tap. Locked.
Torque check. Bolt 6 confirmed.
Tightening 4 and 5 now.
Stand by for final structural lock.
Pass.
Nice.
Nice.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Watch your spacing.
Watch your sink.
Clear ahead.
All right, test initiated. Flow is steady, no leaks. Looks good. Let's mark it complete.
Hold it steady. The hydraulic wrench should be just enough. Good. The gauge is showing correct clearance.
The thermal imaging looks good.
Structural integrity seems sound.
Just need to check the anchor tension here.
Baseline measurements established, readings confirmed and recorded. Proceed to stage 1. Proceeding as planned. Sensors are stable. Readings look good.
The readings are stable, everything looks good.
Agreed. The post-test results confirm complete structural integrity. The perimeter lighting is fully operational.
Checking the vibration sensors now.
Readings look stable. Transmission is clear.
The spacing looks consistent. Make a note of the stress points, please. The tension looks good here. All right, I'm logging that. Any sheath issues? Just a bit of wear on the seal, I'll mark it. Ensure this drainage is clear. Yeah. Let's check the bolt tension on this plate. Verified, documented.
Connection is stable. Reading data now.
Yeah.
Good. Let's verify the strain sensors first.
The water's flowing well. Good, scupper's clear. Discharge looks strong.
The readings on the conduits appear stable.
Confirm. Now check the joint integrity.
Scanning the structural interface now.
Cable tension is well within tolerance. The tower structure looks stable. Checklist complete. Long-term readiness confirmed.